Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Teams Calendar. This is an essential feature for managing your meetings and staying organized, especially when you're collaborating with team members across different schedules. To get started, look at the left side navigation panel in Microsoft Teams and click on Calendar. This will open up your Microsoft Teams calendar view, where you can see all your scheduled meetings at a glance. If you already have meetings set up, they'll appear right here on your calendar, making it easy to track what's coming up. At the top of the calendar, you'll notice you can click on the date picker to view a specific date you want to show on your calendar. This is particularly useful when you need to check your availability for a future date or review past meetings. You can also use the left and right arrows to navigate through your calendar, moving backward and forward through days or weeks depending on your preference. Now, let's talk about customizing your calendar view. On the top right, you'll see a Filter Action button. Click on it and you can set your calendar to display as day, work week, or week. This flexibility allows you to choose whatever view works best for your workflow. If you prefer seeing everything at once, the week view is great, but if you need to focus on today's schedule, the day view is more streamlined. Moving further to the top right corner, you'll find several important options. First, there's Join with an ID. If someone has sent you a meeting ID and passcode, you can click this option and join that meeting directly without needing a calendar invite. Next to that, you'll see Meeting Now, which allows you to create an instant meeting and start it right away. This is perfect for those spontaneous team discussions that can't wait. Then, you have the New Meeting button. When you click it, you'll be able to create a scheduled meeting from scratch. Here, you'll input a meeting title, enter the name or email of other participants you want to invite, set the date and time, and you can even add a location and a message with any additional details your attendees might need. One more helpful feature is that on the calendar itself, you can click on any existing meeting. This lets you either join the meeting if it's currently happening or edit the meeting details if you need to make changes to the time, participants, or other information. And there you have it, you now know how to navigate and use the Microsoft Teams calendar effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.